Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Android device runs Android 6 or later and Nearby Share is enabled. Once confirmed, open Settings, tap Google, then Devices and Sharing, and choose Nearby Share so you're in the right menu. Now, make sure the device that received files is nearby and unlocked. Otherwise, you won't see history tied to transfers. Starting here saves time and ensures the history you're about to clear is accessible and relevant to the correct account. Next, locate the Nearby Share activity or history inside the Nearby Share settings. This is where transfer records are stored. You'll see individual entries, so tap an item to remove it, or use the Clear All option to delete entire history at once. When prompted, confirm deletion. This both removes visible records and severs local references so they don't show up in future lists. Once done, double-check the list. If entries persist, repeat the Clear All action and restart settings to refresh the view. To complete, restart your device to ensure the history removal propagates through system caches. This often resolves ghost entries. If records remain, sign out of your Google account on the device, then sign back in. That forces cloud and local history reconciliation. Make sure Nearby Share visibility and storage permissions are correct, because restricted permissions can prevent proper deletion. If transfers still appear, toggle Nearby Share off and on. Then clear history again. That usually fixes stubborn remnants and keeps your sharing records tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.